Today, you know, I'm a safety guy.
I gotta get strapped.
You gotta get strapped.
That's right.
Never gets old.
Oh man, this is pretty cool. Okay, so for reference, the ground is there. It's very close. Harness is good, yeah.
Good.
I'm not like falling out or anything like that. So that's
the idea, right?
yeah, I think so. This is Autumn. The Miata's name is Honey, but the driver is named Autumn. She's really cool and she's friends with the Miata community, so we're hanging out and doing some stuff for both of them. And that's about it. Yep. We're gonna do Brian's car alone, and then I'm also gonna shoot it from the back, which we haven't done. The first time ever I'm actually seeing my car move, and I'm not doing it. It's kind of weird.
Alright. Oh, let me know when you're ready.
I'm excited. We're shooting my car for the first time. Never happened before, and I don't have rollers in my car, so Bryant is driving. Look at it.
Left side, I'll be on the right. You be on the right? Okay.
It's so cool. Oh, it looks so crazy driving. Oh, it looks so crazy driving. Try to come up like a half car length forward. Yeah. Does it feel weird?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. It's a weird car. It sounds really good though, actually.
It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Your arms are more flexible than mine.
It's those breakdance arms, I guess.
Oh, fuck yeah, that's right.
Okay.
AirPod case is a motorcycle.
I know, it's awesome, isn't it?
We're gonna have
I'm ready.
I love it.
Alright, same thing right in the middle.
Yep. And then you'll be, I think you could be like pretty much right on my rear bumper.
Left and right.
Stay left. Yeah. Pretty good.
Look at your big
Thank you,
one.
Brian. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's amazing.
It's really good. Really.
Thank
I'm
you.
so happy with your car and how it looks. Oh, it photographs really well.
Thank you. V's here. Hey, man.
Hi.
On, this is V. Do you guys know each other?
There's Autumn.
Autumn.
Nice to meet you. That's Honey.
Honey.
That's Honey. Right? Oh, okay, thanks.
How are you, man? Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too, man. How's you been?
Good. We're doing things.
Yeah. Oh, so today, you know, I'm a safety guy. I invested in that.
You strap him in
I
and ready to go.
bought
That's pretty
that
good.
today.
That's pretty good.
Cool.
Who's that sexy TC over there? Who's that sexy TC?
Yeah.
One more?
Yeah. We can do it.
Let's do it.
We can do it. Climb into my abode. little closer, just a little bit. Yeah, it's good. Another successful roller day.
Yes, it was.
Woo! Look at that lineup, that's crazy. Woo!
Of the instant torque.
Just remember.
That's true.
Just the BMW.
This works out really well.
Yeah, that
works out
thing.
really well.
I'm glad it worked out. I like it.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's going to be very useful for us. Thank you, Paul.
This is gonna be the this is the beginning of everything.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh no.
Matcha Kit Kat?
Dude, they're good.
They're really good. Okay, now before we leave, okay? I want you to look at the poster behind me and tell me that's not Vin Diesel.
Goddamn.
Okay, yeah.
No, I think he's not Vin Diesel. Vin Diesel is him.
All right, so we decided to do an impromptu impromptu photo shoot. Oh, dude, the I8 looks sick right there.
Anything longer, because we're just going to use the handle to hit on that one. Ready? Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
What up, guys? Fox, I don't have a hammer. Now I gotta get a hammer in my car.
To JoJo's toolbox.
Hey,
You know what this means? Hey, you gotta full send it.
Yeah.
Full send.
Oh, Juan, I know you know what this is.
All right, ready?
Oh my god. Oh no. Alright.
I'm gonna get copyrighted for this.
There you go. Oh,
So it looks like there's a lot happening here. The Huracan is just sitting there, which is really cool. Wait a minute. See that badge? You see that badge? That's a plaid, baby. Oh,
0 to 60 now.
I mean, everyone has a dream to have one of these, right? But this is something else. To actually see this in person, it's in the midst of being wrapped. It looked like, because you know the film is still up. for a while. This is really cool to see how wide this thing really is, because it's huge. Oh. What? See, you know I want one now.
That's why I want an RS.
Oh man, it's so
There you
cool.
go trade your CRZ.
That looks so cool.
Go trade your...
Yeah, there's a little blue accent right here.
I know. I was like, whoa. I saw it the whole time. And up front too, like the splitter. Actually, like I didn't notice the splitter until you come out to like right here at this angle to see like both the front canard and then see the splitter.
Yeah.
Because he actually has the factory. That black one's factory. Actually.
Yeah.
And then so like he adds the other one. I was like,
That's really cool.
It's like aired at that
At first I thought it was like a reflection of color, and then I got close and I was like,
whoa.
Like that blue, it's like in the side mirrors. It's
perfect.
It's 2 stacks of donuts.
yeah, they're all on top of it.
Check on that one.
But yeah, y'all.
Damn.
If there's anything left, I will snatch.
Juan, give me a shout out. Give me a shout out to Tiamo.
You better stand up.
Tiamo.
It's the
It's the goat. It's the goat. That's why I'm here all the time. God. Shout out.
Thank you. Start going to get some food. I dropped you guys, I'm sorry. Hello?
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 Are you recording?
Sure.
Hello? Howdy.